Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today here in front of you, here you can see I'm having one box from Amazon, and have purchased MI 3i power banks. It's powered by 20,000 mAh battery. I purchased 5 power banks at Amazon. So here you can see here is the box. It's just a small unboxing video of MI 3i 20,000 mAh power bank. Now let's it's time to open it up. Now here inside this box, here you can see I'm having a 5 power banks. Now it's time to unbox it. Let's take it one of this power bank, and here you can see this is the power bank, MI power bank 3i 20,000 mAh. Okay, let's keep this side. Let's take other power banks. Okay, this is the last and final power bank. Inside this box there's nothing, that's all. Let's keep this box side. And here you can see guys, we are having the MI power banks, 5 MI power banks which I purchased in Amazon. Here you can see. Now it's time to unbox it. Okay, come on guys, we can unbox this power bank. Okay guys, now time to unbox it. We can first open this power bank. All the power banks are same only. Let's first open this power bank first. Let's keep this power bank outside. It's time to open it up. Oops, it's very hard to open. Yeah. So now time to relieve the power bank. Here you can see, that's all, nothing inside this box. Okay, what they have given user manual guide inside this box itself. And then let's open this power bank first. Okay, it's now opened. Here you can see, here's the new power bank, and they have given this cable for charging purpose. One side is type C, one side is type C and another side is micro USB port. This side we need to connect adapter for charging adapter. And here you can see, here is the power bank guys. Let's open it up. Okay, let's see. Here you can see, here's the power bank guys, MI power bank, and it's a bit bulky only, bit heavy also. And here's the button they have given to start up, power on. And here you can see they are given 4 types of ports, and these 2 ports is for charging. There is a multi-port connection is there in this. you can charge both of the phones at a time itself. How was the power bank, guys? It's very smooth and bit heavy, but it does not matter because it's 20,000 mAh battery. It will be heavy only, no issues that. Yeah, so you can connect and then yeah, it's getting started, guys. And okay, guys, here's the power bank, and what your guys were thinks regarding this. Just tell your comments regarding this power bank in a below comment section, and I will upload a user review video after using this power bank. And regarding the features, if you come to features, means this power bank has a 20,000 mAh battery and it supports 18 watt fast charging, guys, by using the power adapter. And this has a triple port connection, and there's a dual port is also there, micro USB, and as well as a type C port also. And another thing they told, they just added something like a 12-layer chip protection in this power bank. I don't know what is it, but anyway, they have added some layer chip protection inside this power bank. Okay, anyway, it's good. And regarding this, next is 6 months warranty they are providing, guys, for this power bank. Not 1 year, they are providing 6 months warranty only. And that's all regarding this. And okay, guys, I think I have explained this, all of these things. And just tell your comments regarding this power bank in a below comment section. Okay, we can unbox all of these 3 power banks too. Let's come on. And okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just tell your comments regarding this power bank in the below comment section. And okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Finally, we have unboxed 5 power banks, you can see. And okay, guys, just do like this and subscribe our channel for more videos. If you have any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And okay, guys, see you in next video. Bye.